Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. I'm gonna do another Project Life Fridays, and I'm super excited to do week 3 because I'm gonna use all the yellow and all the green. My photos had a lot of green and yellow in them, and I found 2 Stories by the Month cards that had some green and yellow in them, so I'm gonna use those. Actually, I found 3, and then I'm gonna make my own card with some stamps. So for this yellow card, I had For the Record. I was going to use it on a different project. I didn't use it, so I stuck it on like a box. So I'm going to finally use it, stamp out Good Things Happen, pop dot it, and then I added an ups and downs chipboard, but I'm going to take it off later and put on a puffy sticker instead. So on this January Stories, I am stamping Thankful for the Little Things using the Ups and Downs stamp set. And I'm going to add 4 little hearts, or I just did add 4 little hearts, so that way I can jot down 4 stories. And now I'm going to make my own 3x4 card. I'm using that star burst kind of firework from the January Stories by the Month stamp set, and then the ups and downs, finding the good in every day. I'm going to stamp those in yellow and green, and then on the top I am going to stamp loving, and I'm going to fussy cut that out as well, and then pop dot it as well, and then make a little cluster with some word stickers and some puffy stickers as well. So this is where I took off the chipboard and decided to do puffy sticker because I saw that I had a 3 that was green, and so I wanted to add the week. So it's week 3, so I just added a 3. Like I've told you before, I'm not committed to labeling every week, but I probably should. I just don't want to have to dig out all the letters for week, and I don't know, I just don't. I might just do the number, that's easier. So I'm finishing up with a 3x4 card with 2 green word stickers and then a puffy sticker that is green. I decided to stamp The Happiness of Your Life Depends Upon the Quality of Your Thoughts for that adorable photo of my kids and I, and then I will add a sticker on top that says focus, and then I can start working on the journaling. At first, I thought that I was not going to journal on camera, but I decided, why not? Let's share my stories with you guys. Before I get to that, I am going to cut out this collage that I made. Since I had the digital Stories by the Month, I was able to figure out what size photos I needed for those January Looks Like This boxes. So I had that printed at Persnickety, and now I'm just cutting out the boxes. I have my husband helping his dad, a nature walk, jumping on the trampoline, dealing with a multiplication test, and my daughter getting a special Sprite for a treat. Gonna add another green puffy sticker, and then I'm gonna get started on my journaling. Okay, so for the journaling, I have January Stories, and I'm going to jot down 4 things. And I also have the other one that says, I want to remember. So for January Stories, the first one I started with was resting my knee. I guess, with my arthritis, I exercised too much and I hurt my knee. So I spent most of January just resting. The first story for I Want to Remember is talking about that photo of my daughter and her sour gummy worms and how happy she was. And then the second I Want to Remember is conquering a multiplication test with my son, which took several days, but it was good. We had lots of laughs. Also going to talk about making banana muffins, what our weekends mean, and then capturing my son and daughter playing together and turning his sister into his puppet, quote unquote, and then celebrating my best friend's birthday over Zoom. So those are all my stories for week 3, and this page is done, and I absolutely love it. So easy and quick to put together my 6x12 Project Life spreads. And I hope you guys enjoyed another Project Life Friday. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!